Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. I'm making this video to tell you that even if I've published some peanut airplanes videos, this doesn't mean that I'm not interested in RC car anymore. In fact, I have a new project and I want to show you what's about. In this plastic bag I have wheels, okay, a piece and a car. Here it is. Lovely Mini Cooper S from the Monte Carlo rally, year 1967. 1967. This is a Kyosho model that I bought a lot of years ago, and I have dramatically modified. Not the body, I've made just this that unfortunately has broken. Now I have to repair to carry the two wheels that were typical in at those times in the rally. They stopped and changed the wheels by themselves. Maybe also today it happens, but I'm not so sure. And I told you this is a Kyosho model from the 90s perhaps, and it has a lot of very nice things, but the nicer things are what I have made. I have made a big modification. This model was born with rear-wheel drive, and I have modified into front-wheel drive. This year I have made the same work at the opposite, from front-wheel drive to rear-wheel drive, with my NSU prints. In the description I give you the link if you are interested. And what can I say more? Comment, like and subscribe. And the phone is telling me that it's going to discharge. It's 20%. Okay, shoot. Perfect. And comment, like and subscribe. And this reminds me that in all my videos I always used to say, please comment, ring the bell, smash the bell, comment. And I never say thank you to all the, today they are about 1,388 subscribers. Thank you very much to you all. And to thank you properly, I think that now I will take a little bit of your time, and I want to read all the name of the subscribers. I know that this makes you happy. This is not boring with no music, just the names. Wait a minute. No, I was joking. Thank you very much to you all. I really appreciate, and all my efforts are to entertain you at my best. This is a project, and we will make a lot of videos. The car is old, is very dirty, has some, oops, some problems, so I have to undo perhaps and redo what I made. But I also want to add something that is missing. Most time I've made this kind of interiors just so to have something. Now I would like to have better interiors with the proper dashboard, with a steering wheel, 2 pilots, seats, perhaps roll bar. I don't have too much space, so we have to do stylish something. But starting from this, perhaps, or making something absolutely new. This drawing is fantastic, this drawing, because you see exactly how this car was in 1967. Something that attracted my attention is the roll bar, the roll cage. You can't call cage, it's a roll bar, just a roll bar, with a bridge across the car, and middle car, and just one leg on the rear. Better than nothing. The seats are racing seats, but I can see that there's the complete seat on the rear. Also, the side panels, they are in place. Fantastic. The spare wheels on the floor. Well, this is useful. From this I can catch a lot of ideas. Also these windows, the sliding windows, very interesting. You see? Fenders, I am a inner fender maniac. Another thing that I wanted to show you is an alternative project, and my Mini here. My wife told me, "What's that so nasty and unpleasant car? Why did you buy it?" I remained like that. How can you say this about this? This is a winner. Yes, but I know it's not, perhaps it's not so nice as the Mini, but it's a winner car. I want to do this, and I want to do as my standard with interiors and so on. But up to now, I prefer to do this, the Mini. The Mini is, I love it. I love it. It's the car of my times. I remember in 1967, I was 11. And I remember, it calls me. So, by now, this is all. Thank you very much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you to the subscribers. And up to the next video, it's a plane.